Want this to be your backyard? It can be here in McKinney, Texas.
I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. Gotta do it big. That's the only way to live. Come on.
Hi everybody, I'm Will Koberg with the J.N. Ritchie team of Keller Williams Realty, and I am here in front of 6229 Habersham Way. This home is easily one of the best kept secrets in McKinney. You're here in the gated community of Emerald Heights at Stonebridge Ranch, just minutes away from TPC Craig Ranch, Adriatica, and some of McKinney's top-ranked schools. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is 1 story, so you got a media room on the first floor. In my absolute favorite part of this property is this covered patio with the killer backyard, which has incredible elevated scenic views of a cool tree line with a huge creek. But don't take my word for it, come see the home yourself. Schedule a tour today or give me a call directly if you're a buyer looking for a great property in North Texas. Don't forget to follow, like me on social media, and please check out the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment, because you know I like to hear from you. My name's Will Koberg, and we'll see you on the next Luxury Real Estate Tour.
I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. Gotta do it big. That's the only way to live. Come on.